The other day I put out a little video on the latest firmware update by DJI for the Mini 4 Pro and their process for removing the hard limit of 120 meters max altitude. It's a simple enough process, but it has generated masses of confusion and debate, mainly due to some ambiguous wording used by DJI in the process. So I thought I'd do another very quick video today to clarify what the impact is of declassifying your drone. Like I said, process simple enough. Click the button in the app, remove the C0 sticker, take a photo, upload it, confirming you understand that you are permanently declassifying your drone. All simple, but thanks to the wording DJI use on their submission screen, it's actually generating even more confusion. And it is this sentence here at point 3. After January 1st, 2024, once the label is removed, you can only fly in this specific category and cannot fly in A1 areas, i.e. in towns and congested areas. So a lot of people, especially obviously those who live in Europe, are worried that if they declassify their drone, it may be relegated to open countryside after the 1st of Jan 2024. But I can confirm this is not the case. And to be clear, this is only if you live and fly in Europe. If you look at the EASA website, it has actually got a specific section on legacy drones bought before 1st of Jan 2024. It clearly states after 1st of Jan 2024, you can still fly your drone without class identification label, going on to confirm that you can fly in subcategory A1, i.e. congested areas like towns and cities, as long as the drone's maximum takeoff weight, the MTOM, is less than 250 grams. And this is the key point, because the maximum takeoff mass is a specification given by the manufacturer. And DJI have stated that for the Mini 4 Pro, it is under 250 grams, meaning that you will be able to fly it as normal in towns and cities, even if you declassify it before the end of the year, which of course is a huge bonus. Let's have another look at that quick DJI wording though again, and you can see where the confusion is coming from. Because their wording can be interpreted as meaning once you remove the sticker, you won't be able to fly it in congested areas anymore after the 1st of Jan 2024. And that is not what the text means. It should really, I think, read, if you go through the process of declassifying your drone after the 1st of Jan 2024, you're then bound by different rules and it can no longer be viewed as a legacy drone because you did it after the new rules came in. But even there, I don't think DJI have got that right. I cannot find anything on the EASA page on unclassified drones being bought or made, if you like, after January the 1st. To me, it should still be treated like any other unclassified drone. So either way, I do really want to try and keep this simple. If you're outside the EU, then really do nothing, because in truth you can't do anything because you don't get the limit and you can't even do the process. If you live and fly in the EU, then you may well want to consider doing this process, declassifying the drone, because as the EASA website makes it clear, you will still be able to fly your drone without a label from next year onwards. And to be honest, I don't know, unless you live in Belgium or the Netherlands, you may well have hills or mountains nearby that you will want to fly up and take advantage of this extra height that it permits you by being able to go up beyond 120 meters above the ground level. Anyway, look, really, don't want to spend too much time on this. Yeah, outside EU, do nothing. Inside EU, have a think and maybe go ahead with the process before the end of the year to keep all the full functions. That's it, and I really don't want to talk any more about it. As you can see, sorry about the sound, acoustics aren't up yet. It's all still being built here, the studio. I could not film this outside today. It was like the end of the world outside there. So hence, bit of a mess, but still working on the studio. Anyway, as ever, hope it's clarified things. As ever, give me a little thumbs up. Till next time, have fun, happy flying.